For today's easy recipe, we are making these delicious and fudgy dark chocolate brownies. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of dark cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Whisk this until everything is well combined and then set aside. In a separate large bowl, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 1/4 cup of salted butter that is melted and cooled slightly, as well as 1 cup of granulated white sugar. Whisk this for about 1 minute or until everything is well combined, and if you would prefer, you could also use a hand mixer or stand mixer. As always, all of these instructions as well as the full written recipe are also down below. Next, add in 2 large room temperature eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue mixing for another 2 minutes or until everything is well combined and the mixture is nice and light and airy. Now we can add in our dry ingredients, and using a spatula, you're going to need to mix this until everything is just combined and no streaks remain. Lastly, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips, and using my spatula, I'm going to mix them until they are evenly distributed throughout my brownie batter. I have prepared an 8" by 8" pan by lining it with some parchment paper. This step is optional, but if you're not using parchment, make sure you spray your pan. Transfer your brownie batter in. Using a spatula, spread it evenly into the bottom of your pan, ensuring that you get into all of the corners and along the edges. It will level out a bit during the baking process. These are going to bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 18 to 22 minutes. When they come out, you'll need to let them cool in the pan for about 1 hour. These dark chocolate brownies are best served still warm, but it's important to allow them to set completely before you try to slice them. And that is how you make dark chocolate brownies. As you can see, they have a lovely crackly top and a rich and decadent fudgy center. The dark cocoa really adds to the depth of the chocolate flavor. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and as always, thanks so much for watching.